Nice at the Lincoln.
Nice at the Lincoln Central level crossing and Lincoln with Joe, Andrew Callow 5. Don't front it.
I'm not.
There we go. The time is 14:19 on Thursday, the 30th of July 2015. This is for 14:23. Chillingham 69 minutes train service from Leicester.
Why not?
If I'm here, I just say from Leicester.
Well, if you're brave for the caution, say to Lincoln. Only work it out properly then. Oh, this should be South West Trains.
Yeah, could be. How do you know? Because we've been at your house for a while.
Well, let me. No, that'll be at 4.
It went to Leicester at 8:35.
Yeah, that'll be 8, 12, and 4.
Who's put us? What's this on the barrier now?
Plates.
Plates.
Plate records from 1983.
Who keeps doing this? The barrier doesn't actually need all this crap on it. Do they?
No, I don't need those barriers of crap stickers either. I got rid of all of them, I think. There's still marks of one on Brayford, but that's about it.
That is 2 sticks across that, right? That is. If it's dry, it'll probably be a little easier. You check it.
Well, whenever it's wet, it takes forever to peel off.
Go and start trying to pull a barrier off the floor.
Stop trying to pull a bone out of the pig.
That's easy for you. You butcher's dog.
40 miles an hour, right for you.
Actually, we might have time to run Brayford if you want to do it like that.
We're going to do get the 14:25 here first.
Let's go out of Brayford. We've got a little bit of time. We've got about
Here
2
she
minutes.
is. We've got 156, 4:15.
Yeah, 2 goes on to 45.
From Leicester.
And
Up they
there
go.
you go.
That barrier sounds funny.
That was a car.
No, that.
You.
Guys, next video.